Hey, good morning. Sorry, I'm a couple of minutes late. It's one of those days. I'm David Veach. This is Elevate Your Performance, and today, hey, it's the 50th episode, so I'm very excited about that. I'm still having fun with this, so I expect I'll make it to 100 sometime in early October. I've also started posting these to my Blogspot blog, as well as at leadersites.blogspot.com. I'll post that version in there. There's also a written version of each one of these instead of just the video. I got to figure out what I'm going to do with the audio, maybe do a podcast. You can find all the videos on my YouTube channel, and I'll post the links to that in the comments as well. Thanks for sticking with me for this. Today, I want to stick with what I started with yesterday. I mentioned 4 domains we learn in, always concurrently, and they are psychomotor, cognitive, affective, and social. The one I spend most time in is the cognitive domain. That's because this is where we build those thinking skills that I think are so important to making a great workplace. In the cognitive domain, there are 6 different levels of learning. There's knowing, understanding, applying, analyzing, creating, and evaluating. And those top 3 levels, analyzing, creating, and evaluating, are called problem-solving levels of learning. So that brings us kind of all the way back around to problem solving as a function of responsibility and satisfaction at work. So you see it's kind of pulling all this together in a nice little package. If we focus on analyzing, what steps are really required? Okay, how do you analyze something? Has anybody ever taught you that? So the key thing that makes analysis is breaking something down into a series of steps. It can be a timeline, or it can be an ecosystem, or even something like a quality problem at work. Once you identify those steps or those chunks, then you'll need to understand how each one of those contributes to the overall outcome. You might need to decide what data you need to collect or how you're going to collect that data so you can use that to make better decisions in your analysis. Outside perspectives are always helpful so to help you see these chunks a little bit more clearly and understand the systems that contribute to those problems in the workplaces. So if you need an outside perspective brought in, that's what I do. So give me a call, reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you do it. I can even do it remotely. I want to ensure that when the pandemic lifts, instead of us going back to normal, we all go back to better. So let's spend some time doing some of that. That's all I have time for today. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.